Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday Hacks. Today we're going to dive into some of the weirdest, wackiest, and honestly cringiest life hacks out there. Some of these might actually work, while others might just make you question humanity. So, if you're brave enough, hit that like button and let's get started. Hack number 1. Using a fork to apply makeup. First up, fork contouring. Yup, you heard that right. To get the perfect nose contour, people are grabbing their forks, pressing them onto their nose and using the lines as guides to apply their makeup. Fork in one hand, contour brush in the other. What could go wrong, right? Just try not to stab yourself. Hack number 2. DIY toothpaste to cure pimples. Next up, a classic cringeworthy hack: toothpaste for pimples. Supposedly, the ingredients in toothpaste dry out those pesky pimples. But here's the twist. Some people go for the extra minty stuff. You know, the kind that leaves your skin tingling for hours. But seriously, dermatologists have pretty much declared this a big no-no. Unless you like red, irritated skin, I'd say skip the minty fresh facial treatment. Hack number 3, plastic bag socks. Ever run out of clean socks and think, hey, I'll just use plastic bags instead? No, well, believe it or not, some people do this as a hack to avoid wet feet. It's definitely waterproof, but comfortable? Not really. Just be ready for some weird looks if you do this in public. Alright, get ready for this one. Want shiny, smooth hair? Just slap on a generous coat of mayonnaise, that's right. Apparently, mayo is supposed to act like a deep conditioner for your hair. Sure, it's got eggs and oils in it, but the smell? You'll probably smell like a sandwich all day. Not sure your friends or anyone else would appreciate that. Proceed with caution. Here's a fruity hack for you. Banana peels as shoe polish. You just take the inside of a banana peel and rub it on your shoes for a quick shine. Apparently it works because bananas have potassium, which is also in shoe polish. But now, your shoes smell like bananas. Great for monkeys maybe, but if you're in a meeting, it might be a little distracting. And now, a hack that's actually kinda clever but looks hilarious. Socks as dust mitts. Just slip a sock over each hand and start dusting. It works, sure, but you might look like a 5-year-old playing dress-up. Just don't grab your partner's favorite socks for this one. Unless you're trying to start a fight. Accidentally dropped your phone in water? Sure, you could dry it in rice. But I saw a post where someone claimed you should drop it in the toilet first to wash it out. Maybe stick to just the rice part. And if you have to wash it, maybe try clean water. Let's not go too far with this one. Well, there you have it, some of the cringiest life hacks out there. Would you actually try any of these? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed watching me cringe my way through this list, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more everyday hacks. Until next time, stay curious, and maybe avoid the mayonnaise hair mask end screen.